Let us use the assignment of car as the conveyance to illustrate how these different words get assigned to different categories, different slots in this frame. Now we know that car was a conveyance because of the role that this preposition by plays here. That is, an intelligence agent might make use of the structure of the sentence to make sense of the story. We have designed human language in such a way that there is a particular structure to them. Prepositions, for instance, play a very important role. Here are some of the common prepositions: by, for, from, to, with. Each preposition plays certain thematic roles. By can be by an agent, or by a conveyance, or by a location. Similarly for the other prepositions. So the moment we see by here, we know that whatever is going to come after by, the car can be an agent, or a conveyance, or a location. Note again that the categories we are using here are semantic categories. We are not saying noun or verb or anything like that. What we are saying here is beneficiary and duration and source, which are semantic categories that allow us to draw inferences. But how did we know that car was a conveyance and not an agent or a location? In general, while the structure of language does provide constraints, these constraints do not always definitely determine the meaning of that particular word. We'll use additional knowledge to find the exact meaning of the word car.